Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? So today I'll be making French curl hairstyle. Long time no hair tutorial, right? Yes, this video is going to include how I install my French curls braid, how I knot the French curls. A lot of people do French curls and they are scared of how to knot the ends. So in this video I'll be showing you how I knot my French curls braid and how I try to make them curly. Okay, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Rachel. I am a mom YouTuber currently based in Qatar with my family, and on my channel I make hair videos, lifestyle videos, cooking videos, just as the spirit leads. So welcome. And if you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel. Please. You'll get exciting content, trust me. French curls is not like the normal braid. It's a luxury braid. I am a hairstylist. It's something I do on the side. Most times when people inquire about French curls, I tell them that, see, French curls is a beautiful braid. However, it's part of the luxury braid. Luxury because the extension used in making French curls is different, okay? It's a synthetic hair, okay? It's soft and curly at the end. So with French curls extension, first of all, you have to have it in like at least 4 packs to make a full head. At least. I recommend 5 packs or 6 packs if you want it fuller. Now, to install the French curls, you have to take note of the size of the hair you are parting. Like when you're parting, the parting pattern is going to determine a lot of things. So when making French curls, I like to go like I'm doing box braid, okay? That way it's going to have a very unique shape. Now when making French curls, I use leave-in conditioner. You can use any leave-in conditioner of your choice just to smoothen it. The thing with French curls is you need to be really patient when braiding it because it tends to tangle while you are doing your braids. So when it tangles, just be patient to untangle or detangle it with your finger gently. If not, it's going to ruin the curls of the French curls, which is not what you want. So with French curls, you have to drink chilled water and be extra patient while making your hair. One good thing about this French curl braid is that it is so beautiful and it lasts. I made these French curls for my Christmas holiday. It stayed more than 1 month until I wanted to like change the hairstyle. So like I was saying, when parting the hair for French curls, it should not be big. It should not be big. It can be small or medium. That way it's going to look beautiful. If not, it's not going to look beautiful at all. And I prefer the box method of parting the hair as against the half moon way of parting the hair. It tends to give it a better shape and finish. For tying the ends of the French curls, you need to braid it towards the end. I'll ensure that I braid it like tightly because this French curls is slippery, like the braid is quite soft. So when I reach the end, I try to braid it like tight a little bit so that when I'm knotting the French curls, it's going to stick. So please, if you watch up to this extent, please like my video. Liking the video will make YouTube suggest this French curls video to other people because it is going to tell the algorithm, oh, these people like this French curls, so show it to this person, show it to this person. That's why we say like my video, subscribe to my channel. So please like the video. It's going to encourage me as a creator to create more videos. Now to knot the French curls, I'll just part it. The center one, I'll pick small hair, go around it like I'm making thread, then I will knot it like so. I'll knot it just the way I am doing in this video. Just watch it. You can make this play slow and watch it. This is how you knot your French curls, and it's going to stay like that. It will just stay like that. This is not the first time I'm doing French curls. I have a French curls video in, if you check down on my channel, and I have a short video also when I was knotting the ends on the French curls, which a lot of people like. Am I the only one that gets excited when I reach the last portion of the braid, like the last braid? I'll be like, hey, finally. So getting to this last braid was quite exciting. Finally, my French curls is coming together. It took me 2 days and 1 morning or should I say 2 days and 1 morning to finish this hair. Yes, I can finish this French curls hair in 1 day, but because I have school runs, I have other things to attend to, I have my girls to attend to, my kids, my family, so I just took time. I usually give myself like 3 days to do my hair. So this one I did it like in 3 days. Yes, 3 days. Just map out time to be doing other things. So you can still do this one by yourself in 1 day. It all depends on your schedule, okay? So now that I've finished doing it, I'll just go ahead to just trim. Because this hair is curly, you need all this trimming so that it doesn't tangle and I can run my hands through it. The leave-in conditioner I'm applying, you can use any one you have. It's just so that the curls will pop, you know, and make it a little bit bouncy. Don't worry about my face. I had to just finish this hair after I dropped my kids in school in the morning. So yes, the mousse is going to help also in putting this French curl braid together. Like I said, this French curls is a luxury hair. So if you want your hairstylist to do it for you, make sure you have your dollars, okay? Make sure you have it so you don't go and be pricing anyhow, because this French curls is luxury. And I'm glad I'm able to sit down and make my French curls myself. Maybe because I'm a hairstylist. By the way, if you're in Doha and you want me to make your hair, say it in the comment section, no, because me, I'm looking for a customer like this, okay? And I'll be at your service. The oil sheen is going to make it shine and pop. Do you prefer this French curls or normal box braid with curly ends? I want to know. Thank you for watching up to this extent. Of course, I will see you in another video. For now, take care and bye-bye.